Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how we can log out of the Cider application on your mobile device quick and easy. Logging out of Cider app is a straightforward process ensuring your account remains secure when you are done shopping. So first of all, launch open Cider application on your mobile device, and then once you're in the home page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, tap on the Gear button at the top right. This will open up settings where you'll need to go all the way down and look for the Logout option. Tap on Logout to log out of your account and confirm the logout process by tapping Logout once again. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Cider app. Logging out of Cider app is essential for maintaining the security of your account, especially when using shared device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.